Experience unmatched sound quality with cutting-edge technology and sleek design. The best Sony headphones deliver crystal-clear audio, deep bass, and all-day comfort for music lovers, gamers, and commuters, making every listening experience truly immersive and enjoyable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Sony WH-1000X6 Headphone. The Sony WH-1000X6 steps forward as a flagship headphone built for listeners who want total immersion and refined comfort. Its upgraded noise-canceling system, powered by advanced processors and an adaptive microphone setup, works continuously in the background to eliminate distractions with a natural, pressure-free feel. What makes the XM6 special is the collaboration with professional mastering audio engineers, resulting in a sound profile that feels clean, balanced, and impressively detailed. The carbon fiber dome driver brings instruments and vocals into sharp focus without harshness, while the new QN3 processor manages noise cancellation with heightened speed and precision. Call clarity is another strong point, thanks to an AI-based beamforming mic array designed to keep voices clear even outdoors. The build feels premium but lightweight, with a redesigned headband and smooth leather padding that stays comfortable for long sessions. Add in a foldable frame and compact case, and the XM6 becomes a reliable daily companion for travel, work, or deep listening. Number 2. Sony WH-1000XM4 Headphone. The Sony WH-1000XM4 remains a favorite for listeners who want dependable noise cancellation paired with an easy, enjoyable listening experience. Its dual-sensor noise-canceling system performs consistently well whether you're commuting, working, or relaxing, creating a quiet bubble that lets the soundstage shine. The XM4's tuning is warm, smooth, and detailed, delivering an inviting listening experience that suits most music styles. With up to 30 hours of battery life, it handles long days without worry, and the quick charge feature is incredibly handy when you're on the move. Touch controls feel intuitive, letting you manage playback, adjust volume, or activate your voice assistant with simple gestures. Speak to Chat adds convenience by automatically lowering volume when you begin a conversation, while Wear Detection pauses audio the moment the headphones come off. Clear call quality and multi-point pairing round out a feature set that continues to hold strong, making the XM4 a reliable and well-loved choice. Number 3. Sony WH-1000XM5 Headphone. The Sony WH-1000XM5 headphone takes a refined, modern approach to noise-canceling headphones with its sleek design and impressive audio engineering. Its dual processors and 8 microphone system create an immersive level of noise reduction, softening environmental sound so music and dialogue can come through with clarity. Calls benefit from beamforming microphones that keep voices natural and easy to hear, making this model especially helpful for remote work or busy surroundings. Sound quality is smooth, detailed, and balanced, offering a comfortable listening experience across genres. With up to 30 hours of battery life, the XM5 is built for long stretches of uninterrupted use, and quick charging offers hours of playback from just a few minutes plugged in. The lightweight build, soft-fit leather, and gentle clamping force create a comfortable feel that holds up through extended listening sessions. Blending performance, comfort, and modern styling, the XM5 stands out as an excellent all-around choice for daily use. Number 4. Sony WH-720N Headphone. The Sony WH-720N delivers impressive value by combining lightweight comfort with capable noise-canceling performance. Weighing only 192 grams, it feels exceptionally easy to wear, making it ideal for long listening sessions, travel, or everyday use. Sony's integrated processor V1 enhances noise reduction and sound quality, bringing a clean and balanced audio experience that works well for music, podcasts, and casual listening. Vocals come through naturally, and the DSE engine helps restore detail in compressed audio. The adjustable ambient and adaptive sound modes add flexibility by tailoring the listening experience to your surroundings, whether you need more awareness outdoors or full focus inside. Battery life stretches up to 35 hours, and a quick 3-minute charge provides an hour of playback, making it a convenient companion for busy days. With a simple, comfortable design and a strong feature set, the WH-WH720N offers an appealing blend of quality and practicality at a friendly price. Number 5. Sony Ultwear Headphone. The Sony Ultwear is built for listeners who want powerful bass and strong noise cancellation without sacrificing comfort. Equipped with the V1 processor and dual noise-canceling technology, it performs well in noisy environments, giving listeners the option to tune out distractions with ease. The signature Alt button lets you boost bass instantly, adding punch and depth to music without overwhelming the mids. Comfort is also a priority, with thermoformed cushions that contour smoothly around the ears for a snug yet pleasant fit. The swivel fold design and compact carrying case make it especially convenient for travel or commuting. With up to 30 hours of battery life and quick charge support, it keeps up with long days, while beamforming mics help deliver clear conversations during calls. Multi-point connectivity adds flexibility for switching between devices. Overall, the Ultwear stands out as a fun, bass-focused headphone that still manages to feel balanced, practical, and travel-ready. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.